Vectors. So vectors are arrows that describe direction and magnitude of something. Could be motion, could be velocity, could be force, could be all sorts of things. Vectors can also be written in component form, where 7, -2 means we've gone 7 in the x direction and -2 in the y direction. And let's see, that's given to us, and then we need to find the magnitude and direction. All right, so to do this, we got to figure out how long this is. That's the magnitude. And the direction is which way did we go, the theta. All right, well, essentially though, I've got a right triangle here. Got a right triangle. 7 in the x direction, -2 in the y direction. So let's see here, that's my opposite. That's the adjacent. So I'm going to use tangent of theta is equal to, I'm going to do 2/7. So to figure out theta, I got to do the arctangent of 2/7. Now on our calculators, we write that as inverse tangent of 2/7. And let's see what that comes out as. Arctangent of 2/7. And we get 15.945 degrees. We'll just round it to 95 degrees. Now you might be saying, Mr. Kuhne, it's going down though, and you are correct. We should make this negative because it's going down. Now, if you don't like negative degrees, those bother you, all you got to do is add 360 to it. 360 degrees around will give you the positive angle. So let me take this times -1 just to make it negative first. If I add 360 degrees to it, 344 degrees. These are called coterminal angles. Either one works. We'll just go with this one for now. So the direction would be negative 15.95 degrees. Just out of curiosity, what happens if we do arctangent of -2 divided by 7? Hey, look at that. That's fantastic. It gives us negative. Huh, who knew? Okay. Now, we still have to figure out the magnitude. How far is it? Well, that's actually like an 8th grade math problem. We're going to use Pythagorean theorem here. We're going to use -2 squared plus 7 squared equals the magnitude squared. Now, -2 times -2, that's always positive, so that's going to be 4 plus 49 is the magnitude squared, or the magnitude is going to be the square root of 53. So, I'm going to take the square root of 53, and we get 7.2. So the magnitude is going to be 7.28. There you go. All right, do one more down here. Got -6 and -4. Okay, well, -6 in the x direction means we went back 6 this way. -4 means I went down 4. I got to figure out this angle right here. Okay, well, let me just figure that angle. That's the opposite. That's the adjacent, so I got to use tangent. And in truth, you're always going to be using tangent. Always. And you're always going to be putting the y-coordinate over the x-coordinate. So a tangent of -4 over -6. So the arctangent of -4 over -6. Arctangent of -4 divided by -6. Hit enter. 33.69 degrees. Now you may be saying, well, that's not 33 degrees. It is 33 degrees. It's 30 degrees down here. You say, well, 33 degrees, shouldn't that be right here, Mr. Kuhne? Yes, it should. This is 33.69 degrees. But so is this. The problem is, these are both negatives, and the calculator makes that positive. So we just got to do a little bit of thinking here and say, okay, if this is 33.69 degrees, but it's all the way over here in the third quadrant, I know really I just got to add on 180 degrees to this. Add on 180 gets me to there. That's 33. So the theta on this is going to be 213. Try again. 213.69 degrees. All right. And then to find the magnitude, of course. Find the magnitude. That's this side right here, m. Well, got a right triangle. Keep it simple. A squared plus b squared equals c squared. So 6 squared plus, now technically it's -6 quantity squared plus -4 quantity squared. That's always going to be positive. Negative times a negative makes a positive, so that's 36 plus 16. That's the magnitude squared. Well, that's going to look familiar. It's going to be a square root of 52. That's going to be really close to that. Let's find out what that is, though. So the square root of 52, 7.21. 7.21. And there you have it. How to find the direction and the magnitude. To find the direction, we're always going to be using tangent. Tangent of the y component divided by the x component. Always, even up here. Tangent of the y component divided by the x component. Remember, if we made that -2 right there, it came out perfectly. And find the magnitude, we're always going to do x squared plus y squared equals magnitude squared. So the direction, now we will have to be a little bit careful because, especially in the third quadrant, the direction is going to be tangent of the y component divided by the x component, the arctangent, and the magnitude will always be the square root of the x component squared and the y component squared. And all those come from Pythagorean theorem. There you go. How to find magnitude and direction for vectors. Thanks for watching.